What is going on? So this is a Yonder credit card review. So Yonder is a reward credit card designed specifically for Londoners, offering a unique experience-based reward system. This card is a MasterCard accepted globally with no foreign transactions. Yonder has a strong reputation on Trustpilot, with nearly all reviews being 5 stars, praising excellent customer service and app experience. So the key features are reward system, earn points for every £1 spent, redeemable for experiences with partner business in London, no foreign transaction fees, use your card abroad without additional charges. 3. Travel insurance. Full membership card holders receive worldwide travel insurance. 4. App experience. Easy to use app for managing your account, earning rewards, and booking experiences. 2. Membership options. Free membering, no monthly fee, and full membership $15 per month with additional benefits. So the pros are unique experience-based rewards system tailored to Londoners, no foreign transaction fees for international travel, strong customer service and app experience, travel insurance for full membership card holders. However, the cons are limited experience redemption options currently focused on London, higher interest rates, 64% APR variable compared to other credit cards. Some users have reported issues with applying for the card. And that is it.